Okay, today subject are reinforced concrete structures. Topics design of T-beams. Subtopic types of problems in a T-beam. Types of problems in a T-beam. The previous class you have learned procedure for calculation of effective flange width of T-beam. Solve the problem for effective flange width. Procedure for calculation of moment of resistance for different position of neutral axis. Procedure for calculation of moment of resistance for different position of neutral axis. Different position of neutral axis. That is the last class. Procedure for calculation of effective flange width of T-beam, that is BF. Solve the problem of effective flange width and procedure for calculation of moment of resistance for different position of neutral axis. Last class it will be over. Today class is next slide. Objectives. On completion of the you will be able to understand the different types of problems on a T-beam. Different types of problems on T-beams. No doubt. Understand the different types of problems on T-beams. Understand the procedure for solving type 1 problem on analysis of T-beam. Understanding the procedure of solving type 1 problem on analysis of T-beam. No doubt. Understand the procedure for solving type 1 problems and analysis of T-beam. Solve the problems on T-beam. Solve the problems on T-beams. Solve the problems on T-beams. Solve the problems on T-beams. No doubt. Types of problems in T-beams. Analysis problems, design problems. Analysis problems. These are further subdivided into type 1 problem, type 2 problem. Analysis problem subdivided into type 1 and type 2. Type 1 problem, type 2 problem. Analysis problem is subdivided into type 1 problem, type 2 problem. Type 1 problem. Following data is given. Material properties, that is FCK and FI values. Sectional properties, that is the T-beam, width of flange, thickness of flange, width of the web, depth of the web, covers will be given. Area of the steel AST. It is required to find the moment of resistance of the T-beam. It is required to find the moment of resistance of the T-beam. It is required to find the moment of resistance of a T-beam. Once again, material properties means FCK, FI values. Sectional properties, dimensions of the T-beam, area of the steel AST. You have to find out the moment of resistance of T-beam. No doubt. Over another slide. Type 2 problems. Such data is given. What data? Material properties, FCK and FI values. Sectional properties, dimensions of the T-beam. Span of the beam will be given. Loading of the beam is given. Span of the beam is given. AST is not given. We will be find out the AST. AST we have to design in this problem. It is required to maximum MR, maximum load. No doubt. Maximum MR. Material properties, sectional properties, span of the beam, loading on the beam. With the MR, we will find out the AST, area of the steel. Hold on. Beam can carry maximum area of the steel. It is required to find the maximum MR or maximum load on the beam can carry and maximum area of the steel AST. Maximum area of the steel AST. Span loading is given. Maximum bending moment is calculated. Maximum bending moment is equal to maximum MR. Type 2 problem, analysis problem, type 2. It is required to find the maximum MR and the maximum load the beam can carry and maximum area of steel. Maximum area AST will be find out. Maximum MR is indirectly is given, directly is not given. That is maximum MR nothing but a maximum BM. Design problems. Further subdivided into type 3 problem. Design problem, there are further subdivided into type 4 problem, type 3 and type 4. Type 3 problem. Following data is given. Material properties, sectional properties, span of the beam, loading on the beam. Design problem type 3. Material properties, sectional properties, span of the beam, loading on the beam. It is required to find the area of steel. It is required to find area of steel. It is required to find the area of steel, same as the previous. Area of steel. Type 4 problem. Design is sections fully is given. Material properties, span of the beam, loading on the beam, end conditions of the beam. End conditions of the beam. Material properties, span of the beam, loading on the beam, end conditions of the beam. End conditions of the beam. Material properties, span of beam, loading on the beam, end conditions of the beam. Procedure type 1 problem. Procedure for solving type 1 problem. Data. Width of the flange, width of the web, depth of the flange, depth, effective depth, area of the steel. Right, done. Procedure solving type 1 problem data. Width of the flange BF, width of the web BW, depth of flange D, capital DF, effective depth small d, area of the steel AST, area of the steel AST. No doubt. Given data, width of the flange BF, width of web BW, depth of flange capital DF, effective depth small d, area of the steel AST. Characteristic strength of concrete, characteristic strength of concrete FCK, characteristic strength of concrete FCK, yield strength of steel Fy, yield strength of steel Fy. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK, yield strength of steel Fy. Characteristic strength of concrete FCK, yield strength of steel Fy. Required moment of resistance mu. Required moment of resistance mu. Assume neutral axis within the flange. Assume neutral axis within the flange. Calculate XU by equating compressive force to tensile force. Compressive force equal to tensile force. C is equal to T. Compressive force 0.36 FCK BF XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST. .36 FCK BF XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST, same as a singular imposed beam. B is equal to BF. X is equal to, simplifying above equation, 0.87 Fy AST, 0.3C FCK BF. You have to find out the XU. This XU will be deciding within the flange or outside the flange. We are assuming XU is within the flange, no doubt. XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK BF. If XU is less than DF, assumption is right. If XU is less than DF, assumption is right. If XU is more than DF, neutral axis lies in the web. Go to step 3. Go to step 3. XU is more than DF. Neutral axis lies in the web. Go to step 3. If XU is less than DF, our assumption is correct. Go for the moment of resistance. Step 2. Moment of resistance mu is equal to 0.87 Fy AST D minus 0.40 XU, same as a singular reinforced beam. ORR, that is moment of resistance with respect to steel, moment of resistance with respect to concrete. 0.36 FCK BF XU D minus 0.42 XU. Moment of resistance, that is singular reinforced, that XU is less than DF. This is same as the singular reinforced moment of resistance. Only B, instead of B, here it is BF will be taken. Where singular reinforced beam, B is equal to width of the beam. Where is T beam? BF is equal to width of the flange. Only that is the difference. Go for next slide. Step 3. X is more than DF. Here it is flange as well as web is considered. neutral axis lies in the web. Calculate the ratio df by d. If df by d is less than 0.2 or df by x max less than 0.43, that is 3 by 7. Depth of neutral axis can be calculated by equating that is compressive force in the web plus compressive force in the flange. Both will be added. Compressive force in the web 0.36 FCK BW XU. This is the compressive force in the web plus compressive force in the flange 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into capital DF is equal to 0 tensile force 0.87 FI AST. No doubt. Depth of neutral axis can be calculated by equating 0.36 FCK BW XU plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into capital DF. This is the compressive force is equal to tensile force 0.87 FY EIST. Step 4. Moment of resistance. M is equal to 0.36 FCK BWXU into D minus 0.42 XU plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW into DF into bracket open small d minus 0.5 times DF capital DF bracket close. This formula is available in the code also. Annexure 2.2. Note down moment of resistance 0.36 FCK BW XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus moment of resistance in the web plus moment of resistance in the flange. Moment of resistance in the flange plus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into DF into D minus 0.5 times DF. If df by d is more than 0.2 or df by xu is more than 0.43. Depth of calculating by equating 0.36 FCK BWXU plus 0.45 FCK into BF minus BW into YF is equal to 0.87 FY AST. Note down. YF 0.36 FCK BWXU plus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into YF is equal to 0.87 FI AST. YF is equal to 0.15 XU plus 0.65 capital DF must be more than DF capital DF, where YF is equal to 0.15 XU plus 0.65 capital DF must be more than DF. This formula is available in the code Annexure 2.2. If check XU is less than XU max. If not, go to step 7. XU must be less than XU max. Moment of resistance 0.36 FCK BWXU D minus 0.42 XU plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into YF into bracket open small d minus 0.5 times YF bracket close. Note down this. That is moment of, once again, moment of resistance Gm is equal to Mr with the web plus Mr with the flange, 0.36 FCK BW XU bracket open, D minus 0.42 XU bracket close plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW bracket close into YF into bracket open small d minus 0.5 into YF bracket close. Step 7. If XU is more than XU max over input section, XU is more than XU max, then XU is taken as XU max. XU is taken as a XU max. Wherever XU is there, we will be substitute XU max. That is same formula. Wherever XU is there, XU max value is taken. That is ME is equal to moment of resistance ME 0.36 FCK BW XU max bracket open small d minus 0.42 XU max bracket close plus 0.45 FCK bracket open BF minus BW into YF into bracket open small d minus 0.5 into YF bracket close. Order. Problem. Example. Calculate the MR of TV with the following data. Width of the flange 800 mm, thickness of the flange 110 mm, the width of the web 600 mm, area of the steel 2500 mm square. Width or depth of the web anukunta. Width of the web 600 is not there. Depth of the web 600 mm. FCK 20 newtons per mm square. Fy 415 mm square. Width of the flange is not given in this problem. Assume XU within the flange equating compressive force to tensile tension force 0.36 FCK BF XU 0.87 FI AST. XU is equal to 0.87 FI AST by 0.36 FCK BF. (156.7 mm). Same as a first case. Singularly here it is width of the web is not required in the problem when the neutral axis within the flange, that is width is not given. In this problem the width is mentioned, that is the depth. Note down. X is equal to 0.87 Fi 415 AST 2500 divided by 0.36 FCK 20 BF is equal to 800. That is equal to X is equal to 156.7 mm. 156.7 mm. Step 2. XU 156.7 mm. DF is equal to 110. That is XU is more than DF. So that neutral axis lies in web. neutral axis lies in web. df by d less than 0.2, that is d section. Width is not given in the problem. Here it is where 300 will be taken. Assume 300. Depth is equal to 600. AST is equal to 2500 mm square. Flange width 800. Flange thickness 110. Flange and web. Draw the sketch. <clears throat> 0.3 FCK BWXU plus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into DF is equal to 0.87 FIAST. Simplifying this, substitute the value 0.36 FCK 20 BW is 300 A into XU plus 0.45 FCK 20 415 is printed, FCK 20 into BF 800 minus 300 into 110 is equal to 0.87 into FI 415 AST 2500. Here it is 0.45 FCK. FCK value is 20. Here it is 415 is printed, that is wrong. You have to take 20. You have to solving this above equation. X is equal to 188.72. 188.72. X is less than XU max. X is less than XU max. Then moment of this section is under reinforced. Step for moment of resistance. Formula 0.36 FCK BW XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into DF into D minus 0.5 DF. Substitute the values. 0.36 20 into 300 into 188.72 XU D 600 minus 0.42 XU 188.72 bracket close 0.45 FCK 20 into BF 800 minus 300 BW into DF 110 into D 600 minus 110 by 2. Here is answer 482.05 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. 482.05 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton mm. KNM 48 KNM. We have to discuss different types of problems and T sections. Procedure for solving the type 1 analysis problem. Example and type 1 problem. Assignment question. Solve it. Another question.